Shireen, bukal ba siyang looban yung pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Vince na yung pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Yes, I do.
Vince, bukal ba siyang looban yung pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Shai na yung pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Father.
Shai, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Vince na naririto ngayon alinsunod sa batas at alituntunin ng ating inang simbahan?
Yes, Father.
Vince, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging may bahay si Shai na naririto ngayon alinsunod sa batas at alituntunin ng ating simbahan?
Yes, Father.
Hold up, leaning a little closer. I think the work paid off like it's supposed to. Spent all this time just believing. Now we're open arms and start receiving. Let's stop and smell the roses. Lay back, enjoy this moment. Got a million ways to take it all in. Let's go ahead and just get lost in it. Like, ooh, think we're on to something. Ooh, think it's safe to say good feelings are here to stay. Yeah, we're living our best days. Best days, best days. Best days, best days. Best days, best days. Best days, best days. Best days. Best days. Oh, we're living our best days. Best days.
Ano man ang unos, ano man ang dumating sa buhay nyo, mananatili kayong matatag dahil kay pinag-isa sa pangalan ng Diyos at ang Diyos na nagkakalinga ay siyang Diyos na sa atin ay patuloy na pumapatnubay hanggang makamdan nyo ang inyong kaganapan. Binabati ko kayo sa inyong malayang pasya na pagsaluhan ang pag-ibig na ipinunla ng ating poong may kapal. Congratulations to you.
I remember every word, every chapter, every verse. And now the poetry is standing right in front of me, stretching out into the blue. Make
Shai,
believe
isuot mo ang singsing na ito bilang tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan. Sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at Espiritu Santo.
every second leaning in. This is where it all begins. Standing in the splendor of the sun, like a flower fully blooms right when it was destined to. Finally, the time has come for us. For us.
Vince, isuot mo ang singsing na ito bilang tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
With every sunrise that we get, we'll take our time and take it in.
Iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama't ina at magsasama siya ng kanyang asawa at sila'y magiging isa. Kaya't hindi na sila dalawa kundi isa. Ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay huwag paghiwalayin ng tao.
This is where it all begins. Finally, the time has come for us.